Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Jupiter Linked.
I think a great future in the United States will ensure that whoever leads the country next, Iran will not threaten America or its neighbors, Israel, anybody.
Khlem pdiang trom yu Khun jong Khamenei kum Nongïalam ba khlidu jong ka Iran unji tu trom yu Nongïalam ba khlidu jong ka Iran hangning sotu ba Khun jong Ayatollah Ali Khamenei uba kerteng moy taba hoi sini Khamenei un sayap kum bayap ku pa jong lada upan yu utrom loong ba un sadanta ban jit yu Nongïalam ba khlidu jong ka Iran badula kenta yu moy taba kum Nongïalam ba khlidu jong ka Iran ba BYNTA Haswa bang taba un simti ya ka khet dung kupa ula don swada wei bala simti ya ka khet dung kupa dung uba kerteng Ali Reza Arafi nrei ki kubor kia tu ba ula khlap no ka jing tharbom ka Israel kum tala de tabaru upan ka US batre ka Israel ula ban siap penyap
In Iran, which really set the stage for what we're doing right now. It's been pretty amazing. And I'm once again calling on all members of the Iranian Revolutionary Guard, the military and the police to lay down their arms. They're only going to be killed. And now is the time to stand up for the Iranian people and help take back your country. You're going to have a chance after all these years to take back your country. Accept immunity. We'll give you immunity. And we'll be giving you really the right side of history, because that's what it is. So you'll be perfectly safe with total immunity, or you'll face absolutely guaranteed death. And I don't want to see that. They don't want to see it either. We also urge Iranian diplomats around the world to request asylum and to help us shape a new and better Iran with great potential. It's a country with great potential. There's much better future for Iran. It's now beginning. It's going to be, I think, a great future. And the United States will ensure that whoever leads the country next, Iran will not threaten America or its neighbors, Israel, anybody. If you look at what happened, they had missiles aimed at all of these other countries, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, UAE, many others that weren't really involved very much, and they had missiles aimed. Well, they were aimed there long before this ever started. They were going after the entire Middle East. And then we came along. We blew up their party.